everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the AutoCAD silence features in Wisecut. So let's get started. First, open the Wisecut application on your desktop and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within it, from the recent project section, you can just click on any projects. Now it will redirect you to a new page. Here you will be given two options, clips and full video. Full video is with the gear icon, tap on it. Here you will see several toggle options for the entire project. One of these options is AutoCAD silence. You can toggle the AutoCAD silence on or off here to apply silence removal at the full video level for preview and processing. Even though you toggle AutoCAD silence here, it does not permanently apply to the final export. So AutoCAD silence apply during the export, not during preview. In order to correctly apply AutoCAD silence, you can just open the editor. In order to open the editor, go to the clip section and tap on the scissor icon. Once you are on the editor, click on the download or export icon at the right corner. Within it, open the more options button, then toggle AutoCAD silence on if it is not. This step is mandatory before exporting. Here you must remember that if you turn the AutoCAD silence on and then close the export panel or go back to preview, the toggle will automatically reset to off. So always enable AutoCAD silence at last right before clicking confirm. Once AutoCAD silence is enabled in more options, you can just click on the confirm. Then the Wisecut will now remove silence pauses during the export process. And that's how you can properly use the AutoCAD silence features in Wisecut. Always remember to enable it in more options just before exporting. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.